let's start with exercise 2.5. Before watching this video, please watch my previous video which I have uploaded before it, because in that video I uploaded that video on learning identities. So in that video I had taught you how to learn identities. So please watch that video before watching this video, because this video is only based on that previous video. So because before started teaching, I want to speak that exercise 2.5 is the most important and very interesting exercise in this whole chapter. In this exercise, you are going to use all the identities, that is, you are having 8 identities in the whole chapter. So you are getting and you are using all the 8 identities in every question. So let's start with exercise 2.5. Question number 1. In question number 1, you are going to use the suitable identity to find the answer. So your first part is x plus 4, x plus 10. So you can pause the video and do it by yourself and then watch this video. Is your answer is correct or not? So in this part, just notice this part very carefully. In previous classes, the 4 identities you had already studied. First one, x plus a plus b whole square. Second one, a minus b whole square. Third one, a square minus b square. And the fourth one is x plus a, x plus b. In this part, you are using the 4th identity. So first, you will write by using identity. Which one? X plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b whole multiplied by x plus ab. Then just in this you just have to solve it. This part is already written in this part. You are just convert this part into this right hand side part. How? Just consider 4 plus 4 a and plus 10 is your b. So x is your x only. Then let's solve it. X square plus 4 plus 10 whole multiplied by x plus 4 multiplied by 10. X square plus 14x plus 40. This is your whole polynomial बन गया ना इससे. तो ऐसे ही सेकंड पार्ट है आपका x plus 8 ब्रैकेट एंड x minus 10. सो उसमें भी आपको ऐसे करना है, बस आपको साइन चेंज करना है सेकंड ब्रैकेट का. उसको प्लस करने के लिए माइनस माइनस कर दो तो आपका प्लस हो जाएगा. थर्ड में भी ऐसे ही करना है. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस हैं ये, बहुत ही बेसिक हैं. इस according to this exercise, these questions are very much basic questions in this whole exercise, so you have to know these answers. Question 2, evaluate. First part is 103 multiplied by 107. So from my point of view, this question is very interesting. Just focus it. How you can write it in the other way. Just think, pause the video and think. I'll tell you. You can also write it like this, right? This is your now this is your part. Ignore that part. Identity बन गई कौन सी वाली? By using identity x plus a x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b whole multiplied by x plus ab. Now convert it in the right hand part. X is your 100, a is your 3 and b is your 7. 100 square plus 3 plus 7 whole multiplied by 100 plus 3 multiplied by 7. 100, this becomes 10,000 plus this also becomes 10,000 plus 7 3s are 21. This becomes 20,000 plus 21. 20,021 is your answer. Same you have to do in the second part also. Your second part is 95 multiplied by 96. This is also the same part like the first one. You can also write it like this: 100 minus 5, 100 minus, या फिर आप ऐसे लिख लो इसको, 90 plus 5 and 90 plus 6. आप उसको माइनस में भी ले सकते हैं. Then by using this line you are going to write by using x plus a, x plus b, x square plus a plus b whole multiplied by x plus ab. Then put the term 90 square plus 5 plus 6 whole to multiply by x plus 5 multiply by 6. Then plus 11x plus, so your answer is going to be in x terms because one number is with one variable. So the rest of the question you are going to calculate, and those parts which I am not doing, it means those parts are your homework. You have to try those parts on your own and don't be afraid. Don't take help with anyone. Please try it by yourself first. If it is not understood by you, then ask someone. Question number 3, factorize. So in this question you have to factorize all the parts. Your first part is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So now if you see this part carefully, in your mind you are thinking about that identity, the first identity, that is a plus b whole square. So you just have to use that identity only in this part by using a identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now solve it. You can write it like this: 3x plus y whole square. Then this is not the simplest form. You can also convert it in the simplest form. 3x plus y, 3x plus y. That's it. Don't solve it further. If you solve it further, it becomes this. So this is the simplest form. Just leave your part here only. In second part, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Which identity we are going to use in this part? By using a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is identities we are going to use in this part. So you can write it in the simplest form. What is the simplest form? 2y not 2y. See, 2y whole square. Then minus 2 into 2y plus 1. So how you are going to write it? Tell me. You are going to write it in 2y minus 1. Okay. Now whole square. So this is not the simplest form I have told you. This is the simplest form now. I am again and again repeating that please don't solve these questions further, because if you solve these questions, you again reach to that part. It becomes this. If you solve this, it becomes this in the last. So please don't solve these questions further. There are some other questions in which you have to solve the whole question, but not in these questions. Please don't solve these questions further. Leave these questions here only, because this is the simplest form of this question.